Hi, boys and girls. So you just watched your slide on word choice and poetry. So this is our worksheet. So if you want to open it and make sure you have it ready so then we can work on it together. So first, let's add our name. Okay, so now the next thing you're going to do is I'm going to play the poem. So it's called Out of the Morning. So just listen.
Will there really be a morning? Is there such a thing as day? Could I see it from the mountains, if I were as tall as they? Has it feet like water lilies? Has it feathers like a bird? Is it brought from famous countries, of which I have never heard? Oh, some scholar! Oh, some sailor! Oh, some wise men from the skies! Please to tell a little pilgrim where the place called morning lies.
All right. All right, so let's look at the first question. It says, which line? So remember, these are lines. And instead of them being called paragraphs, remember they're called a stanza in a poem. So which line includes at least 3 words that begin with the same letter or sound? So if we go through here, I know this one doesn't. It's more towards the bottom, right here. So I am going to copy and paste it on because here it all has S's. Some, scholar, some, sailor. All right, so in the second stanza, so again, remember, these are all called stanzas, not paragraphs. So here's my first one, all of these, and here would be my second one. So in my second stanza, which 2 words are repeated twice? So let's read it. Has it feet like water lilies? Has it feathers like a bird? Is it brought from famous countries, of which I have never heard? So I notice it right away. It has to be the word has. Has it. Has it. There's 2 words that are repeated twice. All right, so now this is the one I want you to do by yourself. It says, why do you think Dickinson uses the word pilgrim rather than person in the next to last line of the poem? So up here, please to tell a little pilgrim where the place called morning lies. So why do you think they use that word pilgrim instead of person? All right, I would like you to go ahead and do that. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is listen to the spring storm.
The sky has given over its bitterness. Out of the dark change, all day long, rain falls and falls as if it would never end. Still the snow keeps its hold on the ground. But water from 1,000 runnels, it collects swiftly, dappled with black, cuts a way for itself through green ice in the gutters. Drop after drop, it falls from the withered grass stems of the overhanging embankment.
All right, and that was by William Carlos Williams. So right here it says, which 2 words have similar vowel sounds? So let's just think of what a vowel is. So in my head, I'm thinking it's A, E, I, O, and U. So I know that you guys know what those sounds are. So we're thinking of the 2 similar vowel sounds in the following 2 lines. Still the snow keeps. It holds on the ground. So the 2 words that have similar vowel sounds are snow, o, and hold. So snow and hold. What word is repeated twice in the same line? So let's go and look. So remember, these are the lines from one end to the next. All right, there's nothing in these two. No. Oh, right here. Rain falls and falls. So let's go down and write falls. And, okay, not anything here. All right. So you could either write water, water, or you could write drop, drop. So I'm going to write drop. Falls and drop. Okay. So why does William repeat words within the same line? So this is your own thought and your own opinion. So I want you to answer numbers 3 on both pages and then submit it. And if you have any questions, please let me know. All right, have a good rest of your day.